Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is finding arithmetic means. To understand the concept, let's look at the first question. It says solve, find two arithmetic means between 1 and 16. Let's understand the procedure. The first term is given us as the first term of the series is 1, while the last term is 16. In this case, this is the fourth term because there are four terms in the series. The first is 1, the last is 16, and 2 we have to find in between. Since it's an arithmetic series, let the common difference be D. Now how the series is formed? By adding D to the first term. So in the first term we add, the first term is 1, the next term is obtained by adding D to it. The third term is obtained by adding another D to the second term. The next term is 1 plus D plus D plus D. So we have total 4 terms. So this can be written as 1 plus D, this is 1 plus 2D, while this is 1 plus 3D. So this is our first term and this is our last term. The last term, that is the fourth term, is 16. So we equate 1 plus 3D equals to 16. To find out the value of D, we subtract 1 from both sides. This becomes 0. 3D equals to 16 minus 1 equals to 15. To find out the value of D, we divide by 3 from on both sides. This 1, 15 divided by 3 is 5. So our D is 5. Now we'll use this value of D equals to 5 to find out the second and the third term, that is the two arithmetic means between 1 and 16. So the second arithmetic mean is 1 plus D, which is 1 plus 5 equals 6, while the next one is 1 plus 2D equals 1 plus 5 times 2, which is equals to 1 plus 10 equals 11. So the two arithmetic means between 1 and 16 are 6 and 11. This can be seen in option D. Let's make the concept more simpler by the next question. Solve, find three arithmetic means between 8 and 4. So that means the first term is 8, the last term is 4, and total 3 arithmetic means you have to find. So that means there are 5 terms in the series. The first is 8, this is the first term, and the fifth term is equals to 4. Let D be the common difference. So the first term is 8, the next would be 8 plus D, third would be 8 plus 2D, fourth would be 8 plus 3D, while the fifth term would be 8 plus 4D. Now this is the fifth term, this is equals to 4. We'll equate this 8 plus 4D equals to 4 to find out the value of D. We subtract 4 from both sides. We subtract 8 from both sides. 8 minus 8 is a 0. 4D equals to 4 minus 8 equals to negative 4. To find out the value of D, we divide by 4 on both sides, and D equals negative 1. We'll use this value of D equals to negative 1 to find out the three arithmetic means. The first arithmetic mean is 8 plus D, which is 8 plus minus 1. 8 minus 1 equals to 7. 8 plus 2D equals to 8 plus 2 times negative 1, that is 8 minus 8 minus 2, that is equals to 6. 8 plus 3D equals to 8 plus 3 times negative 1. 8 minus 3 equals to 5. So the three arithmetic means between 8 and 4 are given by 7, 6 and 5, can be seen in option B. Moving on to the next question. Find one arithmetic mean between negative 2 and negative 14. So this is the first term, and since we have to find one arithmetic mean, so including the first and the last term, this becomes the third term. Again, using the common differences d, the first is negative 2, the next term would be negative 2 plus d, and negative 2 plus 2d is the third term, which is equals to negative 14. So we equate negative 2 plus 2d equals to negative 14 to find out the value of d. We add 2 to both sides. This becomes 0. 2d equals to negative 12. To find out the value of d, we divide by 2 on both sides. Negative 12 divided by 2 equals to negative 6. So this is the value of d. To find out the arithmetic mean between negative 2 and negative 14, that is given by negative 2 plus d, which is equals to negative 2 plus minus 6. Negative 2, a positive times negative is a negative 6. Negative 2 minus 6 equals to negative 8. So this is the arithmetic between negative 2 and negative 14, can be seen in option A. I hope finding arithmetic means is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.